Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. It's been a big week at the mill. We've been hauling logs, we've been milling heavy, hard stuff. And so I feel like doing a little bit of easier work today. And it's been raining here on and off, so a perfect day to work on something that has been an ambition that I've had for several years and that I've done a little bit of, but when these woods really kind of call me to do things. And our last video was about Cuban mahogany and how we discovered in working with it that it was really going to be a great wood for carving. So I got some Japanese carving chisels and started experimenting with woodblock printing, and it's great. It's a lot of fun, and especially with the right wood. One of the things that really draws me about woodworking is that you're really collaborating with the wood. You're not forcing it to do what you want it to do. It's like a dialogue with the wood. And so as I'm thinking about a woodblock print, I can look at the grain of the wood and then kind of react to the grain. So if there's a knot or a turn, I'll work with it, kind of integrate that into the final print. And with these nice sharp chisels, as you can see, it carves really easily. Zero tear out. Really, it's just like carving a bar of soap. On this block, I've carved a landscape looking out from Lanakai Beach toward the two islands, the Mokes, then we have coconut trees. And so what I'll do is take this special print making paper and I'll roll ink onto the wood block and then take the paper and then press the paper and then removing it, get the imprint. Wood blocks show up in most cultures. And where you have trees and you want to duplicate an image or words, think even a primitive newspaper. What I do find is that the Japanese really take it to a very high level of sophistication. And so kind of in that tradition, what I'll be doing next is making another block print, another block, and then I can lay a second color onto that block. So I'll have a two-colored image at the end of the process. Now, one of the great things that we have the ability to do, because we're starting with the raw piece of wood, after we carve it, we have the paper print, but we also have this really great looking carved wooden block to hang on the wall. But this is just the first step in the process. If you'd like to see where we take it from here, stop by the shop, pay us a visit, and please subscribe to the channel.